Hi, my name is Jasmine, and in this economics video, we're going to be talking about consumer surplus. So essentially, what consumer surplus is the difference between the price a consumer is willing to pay for an item or a good or a service. For example, how much they're willing to pay for an iPhone, and the market price that they are actually paying the good for. So for example, an iPhone might be £100, but a consumer might be willing to pay £500 for that iPhone. And the difference between the two would be what was considered as consumer surplus. So if we look at this representation on a graph, we have the demand line, which represents the value that a consumer might place on a particular good or service. So in our example, the iPhone. And at the market price, each consumer who values that good above that price will then buy and consume it, and then take value from that good or service that is beyond the market price, and they'll gain more utility from having that. So they'd rather have the iPhone for £100 and gain value from that compared to keeping the £100 that they spent in the first place. And that's what's called consumer surplus. So the sum of all of that extra benefit that they gain is essentially the essence of consumer surplus, and it's represented here just below the demand line.